I actually have the coolest car vacuum from Dovity. Oh my gosh, it comes a little storage bag, of course. That's always a must. And it does come with all these different little heads. This one is really good for like your keyboards or like any little buttons in the car. You know, clean around. So I just cleaned this part. So I actually like to use this also for like to blow these like dust and stuff out of like places I cannot reach. So like here, I'm about to show you. Let me clean this out. All that stuff.